A pleasant day to grade 10 Galileo students of our laboratory high school. This day we'll be discussing another operation of polynomial, which is the subtraction. We are already done with the addition of polynomials. So it's very important that you know first how to add polynomials before proceeding to the subtraction of polynomials. Why? Because the skill or the skills that you got from learning the addition of polynomial is very vital in performing subtraction of polynomials. Let us first have a recap on what like term is all about. Like terms refers to monomials that have the same variables but may have different coefficients. The variables in the terms must have the same powers. Yan yung sinasabi ko nung nakalipas na discussion natin. Ang mga terms na like terms, kailangan magkamukha ang kanilang variables at the same time magkamukha ang powers ng kanilang mga variables. Which terms are like? Here, we have 3a squared b, 4ab squared, 3ab minus or negative 5ab squared. As you can see, all of these terms, mayroon silang variables na a at b. Pero it doesn't necessarily mean na they are like terms already. You have to examine their exponent. Kailangan magkamukha yung kanilang exponent para masabi natin that the two terms are like terms. So si 3a squared b, sino ang mayroong variable na a squared b? So wala na ritong a squared b. So walang like term si 3a squared b. How about 4ab squared? Do we have a term with a variable ab squared? Yes, that is negative 5ab squared. So 4ab squared and negative 5ab squared are like terms. They are like. Even though the others have the same variables, the exponents are not the same. So 3a squared equals 3 times a times a times b, which is different from 4ab squared, which is equal to 4a times b times b. Silang dalawa kasi hindi sila like terms kasi wala silang magkamukhang exponent ng kanilang respective variables. Constant are like terms. Laging like terms ang lahat ng constant. So pag nakakita kayo ng mga constant, lahat yon ay like terms. So in this case, which terms are like? You have 2x, negative 3, 5b, and 0. The constant terms here are negative 3 and 0. That means negative 3 and 0 are like. How about this one? Which terms are like? 3x, 2x squared, 4, and x. So you have 3x and 4. You have 3x and x. Those are the like terms. How about this type of problem? Which terms are like? 2wx, w, 3x, and 4xw. As you can see, we have here 2wx and 4xw. The order of the two variables are not the same. In this first term, nauuna si w kaysa kay x. Dito naman sa isang term, nauuna si x kaysa kay w. What do we mean by that? 2wx is equal to 2 times w times x, while 4xw is equal to 4 times x times w. Multiplication is commutative, meaning kahit mabago yung order ng mga variables doon sa isang term, walang kaso yon because the product will still be the same. 2wx is equal to 4xw. So that means 2wx and 4xw are like terms. They are still like terms even though the arrangement of the variables are not congruent. We move on to the subtracting of polynomials. So tandaan palagi kung ano ba ang like terms at hindi like terms because you will be using that or you will be applying that in performing operations in polynomial. So subtraction. Subtract the quantity of 3x squared plus 2x plus 7 minus x squared plus x plus 4. Step 1. Change subtraction to addition. Yan. So ito yung subtraction, papalitan natin ng addition. So magiging 3x squared plus 2x plus 7 plus, and then change the sign of all the terms in here, dito sa sinusubtract natin, into our subtrahend. So you will have x squared will become negative x squared, plus x will become negative x, and positive 4 will become minus 4. So plus minus 4 is equivalent to minus 4. Ganun lang yun, Mag-proceed ka sa addition, palitan mo ng sign lahat nung nandun sa subtrahend mo. Lahat ng terms doon mapapalitan ng sign. Kung positive, magiging negative. Kung negative, magiging positive. And then, underline or line up the like terms and add. Pwedeng vertical, pwedeng horizontal ang gamitin natin, Okay, so this time, let us use the vertical method. Pagtatapat-tapatin lahat ng like terms, so you will have 3x squared plus negative x squared is 2x squared because 3 plus negative 1 ang coefficient dito, 3 plus negative 1 is equal to 2. Then you rewrite the x squared. Babalik lang tayo doon sa rules natin kapag tayo ay nag-a-add. So, mahalaga talaga na master nyo na ang pag-a-add bago kayo magpunta sa subtraction. Kasi sa subtraction, ang idadagdag nyo na lang ditong step yung nasa unahan, which is the changing of operation from subtraction, papalitan mo ng addition, and then change the sign of all the terms in the subtrahend. Continue. 2x plus negative x is x because 2 plus negative 1 equals 1. Pag 1, hindi na natin sinusulat yung coefficient. 7 plus negative 4 is equal to 3. So the difference of these two polynomials is equal to 2x squared plus x plus 3. Subtract the following polynomials by changing to addition, keep, change, change. Bakit siya tinawag na keep, change, change? Kasi yung minuend, yun yung pinagmaminosan natin, yung doon tayo nagbabawas. Okay? Then change the operation, and then change the sign of all the terms in the subtrahend. Then add. Okay. Here we have x squared minus x minus 4 minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. So anong mangyayari? Keep mo lang yung ito, x squared minus x minus 4. You just keep this. Wala kang babaguhin dyan, and then mag-proceed ka sa addition, then change the sign of all these terms. So si 3x squared magiging ano na siya? Negative 3x squared. So x squared plus 3x, negative 3x squared is negative 2x squared. And then negative x plus positive 4x, kasi pinalitan mo na siya, is equal to 3x. Negative 4 plus negative 1 equals negative 5. So this is already the difference. Negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Number 2. So keep lang tayo dito sa minuend. Okay lang yan. Wala kang babaguhin. Then proceed to addition. Palitan ng sign yung mga terms dito. So magiging negative 2y squared minus y plus 9. Then you add 9y squared plus negative 2y squared equals 7y squared. Tandaan na, 7y squared. Negative 3y plus negative y equals 4y. And then 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So the difference is 7y squared minus 4y plus 10. Another example, 2g squared plus g minus 9. So okay lang yan, wala kang papalitan dito sa unang polynomial. Anong gagawin natin sa subtraction? Gagawin natin siyang addition. And then papalitan lahat ng terms ng subtrahend. So magiging negative g cubed plus negative g cubed minus 3g squared minus 3. And then add tayo. 2g squared plus negative g cubed. So si negative g cubed wala siyang like term, kaya i-rewrite mo lang siya doon. Negative g cubed. si 2g squared, i-add mo yan kay negative 3g squared kasi nagpalit tayo dyan, ano? So, magiging negative 1g squared na lang yun. Negative 1g squared. Eh, pag 1, hindi na natin sinusulat, kaya magiging negative g squared. And then si g, wala siyang like term, kaya rewrite mo lang siya doon. Plus g, the negative 9 plus negative 3 is negative 12. So, our answer would be negative g cubed minus g squared plus g minus 12. That's the difference. Let us have an example of a problem solving applying the subtraction of polynomials. Suppose that we have this problem. The measures of two sides of a triangle are given. If P is the perimeter, find the measure of the third side. So, given daw yung dalawang measurement nung isang triangle, yung side ng dalawang triangle given. Eh, ang hinahanap, yung isa pang measure nung isa pang side, given yung perimeter is equal to P. So, pwede nating sabihin, ito yung sides natin, 2x plus 3y, and then yung isang side ay x minus 2y. Ito yung polynomial na inassign para maging side ng triangle. Given yan, given. Para makuha mo yung perimeter, i-add mo lahat ng sides, diba? P is equal to 7 plus 3y. Ito daw yung value ngayon ng perimeter. Okay? So, ito yung perimeter. Para makuha mo yung perimeter, i-add mo lahat ng tatlong sides. Eh, paano nga kung nawawala yung isang side? Anong gagawin mo dyan? So, magiging from here, yan, i-compute natin From here, since P is equal to the measurement of the three sides, eh mayroon ng given si P. Ano daw si P? That is 7x plus 3y. So, 7x plus 3y equals yung dalawang side which is 2x plus 3y. Then, plus din yun, syempre, x minus 2y kasi perimeter to, plus z. Pagpalagay natin yung pangatlong side ay z. So, ang hahanapin natin, ano yung value ni z? So, ilipat lang natin para makuha natin yung value ni z. Ito, yung buo na to, simplify muna natin. So, magiging 7x plus 3y is equal to, what are the like terms here? 2x and x. So, 2x plus x is 3x. Then, 3y minus 2y is negative y plus z. Okay, para mawala itong si 3x minus y sa kanan, ililipat natin yan, ano? So, magiging subtraction yon. So, magiging 7x minus 7x plus 3y, this whole quantity, yan, buong quantity yan, ano? Minus, ano yung ililipat natin? 3x minus y. And lipat natin, kaya siya naging minus doon, ano? Equals z. So, pwede na natin ngayong isolve si third side, kasi ang nawawala naman ay yung z. Applying the method of solving or subtracting polynomials, anong gagawin natin? Keep, change, change. So, keep lang natin si 7x. So, magiging 7x plus 3y. Keep lang siya. Then, proceed tayo sa addition. Change yon. This is our change, diba? Keep, change, change. So, nag-change na tayo, ginawa na natin addition. Then, change the sign of our subtrahend. Lahat ng terms. So, yung 3x magiging negative 3x, yung y magiging plus y. And then, that is equal to c. Combine like terms. 3x plus negative 3x is 4x. 3y plus y is equal to 4y. So, this is now the value of our z. the value of the third side is equal to 4x plus y. Meaning, we can actually use the concept of subtracting polynomials in solving real-life problems. So there you go, subtraction of polynomials. If you have any questions, please feel free to send a message in our group chat, Mathematics 10 Galileo. Thank you, God bless, and keep safe.